Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
You see them youth nowadays? Nobody now read again, you know. Nobody now read again. So, today, every youth know the same thing.
Well, I wouldn't say they're not reading, you know, but they read what they are told to read.
And now read stuff.
They go to school and pass them something, so I the book them what they read.
The teacher them, you forgot that most teacher could have been our child today?
Yes.
Right. The teacher them now read.
Yeah.
All right, put it this way. My first daughter born in this country, she's 45 years old.
Mm-hmm.
And she do little bit of reading through she have me and her father.
Yeah.
See? And the whole of her friend them tell her, say, yo, but I love our father like your father.
Yeah.
Because most parents nowadays don't enforce nothing in them home.
Yeah.
Them leave everything to the school.
Okay.
So what now? All right. Maybe look at 11-year-old daughter.
Yeah.
When she leave her primary school, me give her Marcus Garvey life and lesson.
Yes.
To give the school.
Yeah.
You know, the teacher tell me, say, oh, Mr. Carnegie, I will make sure all the teachers get to read this book. See that? Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this?
Mm.
She now going to make sure. So if my daughter never give the school a book there, because I know the teacher should give the book, the school to, you know.
Yeah.
Is the school the whole, so you can know what she know.
Yeah.
See? Yeah. Yet, you have teachers where teach our youth, them don't know nothing star.
Yeah, but what me I try to tell you, sir, the biggest threat what we face today, whether you're black, white, pink, or blue, is a thing called political correctness.
Right.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, political correctness say, what the powerful people want you to think. You understand? You can't. Even certain joke where we grew up at, when we just come to England, right? You can't run them joke there.
Again?
No, you can't say certain things about the Ashkenazi people there. You can't say certain things about, so, all the black people want you can't say anything about.
Let me show you something now. You touch upon that. Me that nigga, you know?
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Yeah.
No, man, I tell you.
Yeah.
Me is a nigga.
Yeah.
I me love being a nigga. And from me born me a nigga till now. That will change. And when Marcus Garvey talk about nigga. See?
Negro.
Then nigga and nigga the same thing?
No. Not the same.
Negroes and nigga.
But no one you go and explain.
Right. Me is a whole nigga.
Yeah.
See?
Whole nigga.
Yeah.
That's a Jamaica expression.
Yes, but I see him thing. Nigga. Yeah. The point me I make now is that but they love being a nigga. So how comes now me I like to be a nigga. But some white man decides if you stop calling a nigga so it becomes not correct.
Yeah.
Because remember my generation it say every nigga is a star, you know?
Yeah.
And we star up nigga thing, you know.
Yeah.
See? And we star up nigga thing.
Yeah.
So people have this thing now, why this come on man and where you sell a choir, you know? political correctness.
Yeah.
Right? If you want to call you my nigga man, you're my nigga man. Marcus Garvey did tell us, say, we don't want all the niggas in Africa. Remember that?
No, we don't remember that. But go on.
You don't remember that?
No.
Marcus Garvey said, Marcus Garvey said, that's my favorite.
Line.
Yes, of Marcus Garvey. But you know why?
Yeah.
Be read this at the start out of my head, yeah?
Yeah.
Marcus Garvey said, we do not want all the niggas in Africa. Some are no good here, and obviously be no good there.
Yeah.
The man said no good nigga will naturally perish in 50 years.
Yeah.
And part and leave the way for the illustrious and adventurous one who knows that whatever others have done, he can do better. See that?
But did him use nigga in a subhuman?
Me no know, me tell you something.
Yeah.
See, that way you see, after, you see, me tell you something, no way, I don't know. You are not political correct this, but at the same time,
No.
Me don't know how Marcus Garvey did use
You
nigga.
depend on the tape, you know. You
Yeah.
just say it. Me don't know if you repeat it word for word.
Yeah.
But he must say the nigga them
They no good nigga.
no
them.
good nigga.
Yeah.
Right. So we don't know if you have a nigga.
No good nigga man at the house nigga man. That he mean. You know,
Okay.
Yeah, you are going like you know about nigga business. You are going like
No,
you.
we don't know about nigga business. It's not a word we like.
No man, no, listen
That's
this
not
stuff.
because Marcus
D,
Garvey
D.
use it, me I go like
No,
it.
D,
But
tell us
at the
something.
same time,
No,
at the same time,
wait,
hold on, let me show
Me
you.
come from nigga time.
Hold on now. Me in a sauna and I talk to a woman and me use the word nigga. And the woman say, don't use that word. Don't use that word. Me say, well, me not understand you. Why you get to... Yet me say the people them I call themselves nigga. Who am I? If you tell them say them is not nigga.
D.
You understand? So it's like she will tell me, you know, so me can't say nigga because you love to be called nigga.
No, stop. Tell us something, no, nigga.
So that are your choice.
No, me not a choice tonight. Me a come from, me tell you something now, straight.
Yeah.
Me a come from nigga time.
Yeah, all right.
None about the eye. Me a come from nigga time. Me that proper nigga.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
I'm proud to be a nigga. Yeah? You hear me say what?
Yeah, man, go and talk.
I'm a friend when you nigga Charlie.
Yeah.
Nigga this, nigga that. Can we come from nigga time when nigga?
It was okay
Yeah.
for use.
Yeah. We a come from them time. Till we turn nigga in a star.
Yeah, and then now we have some intellectual.
No, me no, but this is the problem now. Them a talk for them friend.
Yeah.
Me a talk for my friend them still a nigga today.
Yes.
All of my friend them, big youth, are still a nigga.
Yes.
You know why I'm just call
And
it.
it's
Still a, yeah, come a star.
And it's still a star.
So we are come from when we put the star pan nigga.
Yeah.
See? Why did we put the star pan nigga? We put the star pan nigga because nigga was an outcast.
Yes.
And I still an outcast today. Even though you're saying a nigga, you're still an outcast or you're still a cast guy.
Yeah.
You over?
But me not like that word, so me use another word.
Well, me tell you something, me love a word. I mean, I use
Just like
no
how
other word.
me not like God and people I use God. So that me I tell you.
All right. So that's a personality.
Yes.
Nigga to me and a personality.
Yeah,
to
but
me.
we not have a problem if a man use nigga.
I'm not going to call you a nigga, but me is a nigga.
Yeah.
See? I'm not a problem with anybody who call me a nigga.
Yeah.
Because I come from nigga time. See?
Yeah.
I'm gonna come out of nigga time all now. Because nigga time no change. No change from my born till now. I'm blind, you know. I don't know nothing. No change.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when I'm gonna I go get political correct and I define now. I make little things like call a word nigga.
Yeah.
Becomes a big drama.
And it not change the condition.
Yeah. It depend that that to me, man. Me still a nigga.
Yeah.
I mean, my nigga friend them though. And we happy.
Yeah.
Tonight, when I go come mix with my nigga them.
Yeah.
Me not go mix with them people, eh?
Yeah.
Cause them people, eh? Remember, you know, them correct, me tell you something. They correct everything for we, you know.
And them try to.
Yeah. But yet, them a push something different and we you them.
Yeah.
We're worse than being a
Well,
nigga.
that me I try for sure you know, because them have it. Say nigga is the way that them have it. When them buck up people like you know, them realize that is not what they had in mind. You understand what I say?
So who is them to come tell me?
No, yeah, so this is why no, you can't question you them kind of way that like you just said earlier. You is a racist and so on. Because they want the youth them to be programmed according to for them specification, because they never get to program you.
Monsieur, oh.
There's a reason why you have that. No. That rule.
Yeah, man.
Explain.
My reason is because as how me was grew and raised and the teaching when me come up on that. And that is race first.
Yeah.
And we have to preserve our race. Marcus Garvey tell us, say, for a black man to take a wife when I look like his mother is a disgrace to the whole human race. And it's also amount to the transformation of wealth.
Yes.
Yeah. So, me not go take no woman when I look like my mother.
Yeah.
Me not do that.
And you know why I'm saying that?
Yeah.
When them there grow up, you see, you never know the difference between races.
Where am I
A
go?
little boy, yeah.
Yeah. But can't ask that too.
Yeah. He never knows. Him used to have I think a little white friend when I used to play. I think it was a girl. And when they reach certain age, the parents say, you can't play with that boy again. Yeah. That boy is black, you can't play with him again. And that enlightened him to what actually exists in reality. You understand? Him realize there is a difference in races according to how the white people think of me, different to how them think of them family. And that him learned that day there. When him find out say he couldn't play with that him friend no more. And so that's why him said it is traitorous, because these were the people who enslaved the African people. Right? I mean, enough intellectual black people at them say, oh, they weren't enslaved, they were kidnapped and they were things. They were buying and selling people, and buying and selling people is slavery. They went even as far as calling black people in America 3/5 of a human being.
Dred Scott.
Yeah? And they went as far as one man said, when them have to throw African overboard because them stack the ship too much and disease lit the ship. Right? And them say, well then, boy, them man, they should be prosecuted for killing them people. One of the ministers them over here said, would you, if them they throw some wood overboard, if you would have prosecuted the man for them? So this is the contempt in which they have us. This is the value that them play from it. And this generation group don't have no different view to them. The only different they have is that them can act better Them great.
And if they're not a way different, you know.
Yes, but them, that's why I'm telling you, say, they are pretenders. Yeah, remember the song, The Great Pretender? Them are pretend, and the worst one are the one them who said they like you.
Well, let's go back to the seminar and a friend. Yeah, I don't want them like me.
Yes, but a whole heap of people, you see, 90, more than 90, I can go as far as about 99% of people want to be endorsed by them. You understand? I don't know white friends, I know white people, I treat them like anybody else. But I couldn't tell when I have a white man come in my yard.
Well, I'm coming here, it's not for something to do in the yard.
Me attack as and I go call him friend. Yeah.
No.
You understand? The same thing with you. I don't know what white man look like.
Let me tell you something.
I don't want to.
Let me tell you
and
something.
look on my complexion.
Look how the dove come.
Yeah.
So close the dove come to an eye.
Yeah.
White and dove could have come so close to an eye.
Yeah.
See? Look on the
You
dove.
know, sir, it's not a threat.
What the dove go walk in the camera?
Yeah.
No. See the dove walk in the camera, Rasta.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
You see an eye easy.
Yeah.
So an eye easy, Rasta, the dove walking in the camera.
Yeah.
See? Don't afraid of an eye.
Yeah.
See? But what I try to show that I know, Star, is that I never know racism until I go to America. I never come first of that.
Yes.
When I go, so we are get back to the growing again.
Yeah.
When I go, I'm downtown. I go in the bank and I see white people, I just know say white people.
Yeah.
I see society people in the bank, I know say society that.
Yeah.
I never know about no, they don't like me, I'm not like them. I just go say, society people that. See?
Yeah.
There was no hatred. We're not going to hatred to them.
Yeah.
Downtown, I go, and I know say, the Syrian, the Jew, the Arab, and them around things.
Yeah.
And I go and come up in a thing and I know say, yo, them boys have to pay some Jews.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go up. And we start that.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So the Zedis, them, the Andal, them and them boy them. And we start.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I make them know to them say, let off a thing.
Yeah.
See? Call them let off a thing. Don't so. You take up all, you take away all of the money from them. So. See? Let off a thing.
Yeah.
First, I start stick them up.
Yeah.
And after a while, stick them up and then I can't go to jail. Because I'm with them I tell police. But it's not witness it.
Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
So after a while, me and them turn friend.
Yeah.
And so I have to stick up now and give me a little thing.
Yeah.
See? But that was no hate.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
It's a balance.
Yeah.
As far as my thinking. So I never know nothing about racism and nothing for them for hate people because them skin color. I never go that way, them don't know that. See? But just go say white man a white man. If I see a white man downtown and I can't take a thing off and I take it off.
Yeah.
Simple.
Yeah.
Right? Now, the first time when I come to England, when I leave Jamaica, them keep send-off party. You know what? When I leave Jamaica, I'm not leave Jamaica like some man. I leave Jamaica, them keep send-off party.
Yeah.
For me,
Yes.
I'm come to England and keep welcome party. For me,
Yeah.
so I leave a community and come to a community.
Yeah.
My community tell me, Bonnie, don't mix, don't do that, don't do that.
Yeah.
Keep it in. So I never have to mix and mingle because I was guarded. When I come to England, my friend them one club on Oxford Street and Regent Street. So I never come here. When I come here, I'll show you something. When I come to England, I have a shopping list. Listen up. I'm a ghetto boy. I have a shopping list. So you go shopping in a E-market on Regent Street. You hear me say? So you have to want to know what kind of links money have that money have a list with the things that the people want. specifically a Regent Street, Derby House, me have to go. To go buy these things. You know what? You know the list, with up on the list. Riding breeches.
Yeah.
My links at Jamaica who own race so them want riding breeches. And them tell me where to go. Then give me the direction where to go get the riding gears.
Yeah.
So yeah, from me come England till now. Anytime I think about shop, a two places I go shop. Regent Street and Oxford Street. You know, if I go down at Acme, or up at Old Green, me just like that Oxford Street feeling. Yeah, it always give me that reflection, like this just back in the country. For some reason, it's a thing, you have to understand that thing there. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
No. No. Racism. When me come here, I come around some people. Maybe I'm a friend house at Brixton. And I show you how me never know about racism.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm a friend house at Brixton. And we are sat there. And me she pick up her phone, because I never have a mobile, by her phone. She call the taxi place. And she said, John, I want you to go down to Brixton Market. I want you to buy some saltfish, dozen banana, piece of yam, ackee, scallion, onion, and she give me a list.
Yeah.
Yeah? What to pick up.
After the taxi.
The taxi man. Yeah. And when the taxi man come, with a white man, lick my head, come here, one away.
Yeah.
The taxi man come with the grocery. Yeah. And with a milk, you know.
Yeah.
And with a white man. The taxi man tell her the grocery cost X amount.
Yeah.
And this is the service.
Same charge.
Yes. Yeah. And I think she give the taxi man £30. Yeah. And me hear she say, on your way out, John, can you vacuum the front room for me, please?
Can you what?
Vacuum the front room for me, please.
Okay.
Because the amount of money she give the man.
You can't
the
get
tip,
that.
The tip.
Vacuum is nothing.
Vacuum the front room.
Yeah.
Never forget that. Me never forget that. So, you know, nothing about racism.
Yeah.
Because that wasn't a racism thing. That was a business transaction. Yeah. When me go to America, and the first time me encounter racism, me never know what it is, star.
Yeah.
Never know what it is.
Yeah.
So that's the next thing now. We never grew up. We never grew up. I hate people through them skin color.
Yeah.
We never know about that.
All right. And most people confuse racism with prejudice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Racism now is when a man can change your way of life.
Yeah.
Prejudice, I mean, I like you.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to chat to you. Just like how you say,
that
you don't like white people.
Is that normal?
You're not,
I don't want to kill them, I just want to chat to them.
Yes,
I want a friend from you.
That's a prejudice.
Yeah.
But when a man go look on you know, this is where we want to go. You remember we talked about Marcus Garvey?
Yeah.
When we look and you talk about the people, the Syrian them on King Street and them kind of thing, when we look at their position and we are saying, how come we're not in another position better? It's because the system what them set up. If you keep we, the black people, African people, where we are, through an oppressive system, economic system, because it's all economic. It's just that them use force, which is military, and they use politics as a means of governing the economics. Everything's about economics, and everything's about slavery. If black people never existed, white people then would have slavery. No other way. They don't know how to share. Them share because it prove them to share in a for them economics because they know they rather have a little bit than none at all. Especially this country now. This country, like we say, they are the great pretenders. America and American will tell us, I don't like you, you nigger. But seeing nigger no mean the same as your nigger. You see if you understand. The meaning and expression what him I put in the word nigger is a different meaning to what your own is. No, you see the one them over here now, you have to really understand it. These ones are pretenders. They will go and like them like you. So you will come here and you know see it.
You know my favorite place in Europe right now, if I tell you don't believe it or not.
Germany.
Oh, where the blood clean, yeah, man. Germany is a nice place, man. Germany love a German, them.
Yeah.
I love them.
Yeah. So
I love them more than English. You know why I love them more than English? It's the German, them not skin teeth.
yeah.
If them like you, them like it. Them not like you, them not.
Yeah.
Smile with you.
Yeah.
Not like the English
But
way.
these ones will.
Yes.
Yeah. And the one what people call trendies and
Yeah.
lefties, them more dangerous than National Front and
Yep.
them people. Far more dangerous.
But I think I want to touch upon now, I want to explore this now.
Yeah.
Because this is something now where I find this, I go up America now.
Yeah.
I go up America. And what I find today that is very, very, very disturbing is how, not, let's say, we use the word we, not me, you know, but we,
Yeah.
culture, think about Black American.
Yeah.
You see, when we did go America, we go America, and we got teach American a lot of things. And my generation, American love my generation. Today there's a shift in America where American like Yardman again. And I think that is from a big misunderstanding. So let me expound on that. Me 67-year-old. Yeah? So me go take off 50 years now and put it back when me are 15.
Yeah.
So when me are 15,
Yeah.
black people globally think alike. Remember that?
Go and talk, man, because that's some serious thing we are touch upon now.
Yeah, me never go upon that. When they attack for all days, man. We have to go upon this now, man. Me I talk to some people nowadays, and them, it's true, you know, you talk to a youth, and I'm a 30-year-old, I'm a 35-year-old, I'm a 40-year-old.
And him not catch 15 yet.
Yeah, and him think, him think same know a lot. Where you don't know nothing.
Yeah.
Because you don't know when me know. You don't know when the world is under one apartheid.
Yeah. Still is, but under.
No, we're not, we bring it up.
Yeah, yeah.
We bring it up. We are talking now.
Yeah.
First of all, you don't know when Jamaica never independent. See? So when Jamaica never independent, a one world order we have. So you talk about new world order. What you talk about? Me I come from the one world order.
But it's one world order.
Yeah.
I'm not calling the new world order.
Wait a minute. Can be a different talk we are taking now, a different turn now. I know what the serious part of the reason now.
Yeah.
We are come there from when every black man was being suppressed. Remember that?
Visibly.
Physically
No, visibly.
suppressed.
Yes.
Yeah.
That means black man could have seen it.
Yeah.
Then can't see it now.
Right. So when Peter sings, say, get up, stand up, then we never have no right.
Yeah.
None at all.
And still don't.
So me I talk about now, in the days, when you step on a black man car at Trinidad, at Jamaica, we feel it.
Yes.
South Africa, we feel it.
Yes.
America, we feel it. Yeah. England, feel it.
Yes.
You know them days there?
Yeah.
When you touch a black man can wave around the world,
Yeah.
the whole of we feel it. So how come we stop feeling?
Because the same system where Marcus can talk about and me talk about program the people to think that everything is all right now. That's why I'm saying that suffering there, that slavery there, because them take off the shackles. People think say
you know, say down back now to nigga time though.
it never changed. No, it's only some people I realize that a go on.
Yeah,
but nothing never change at no time. Look, when me come here, you know, me was a man who used to watch. Well, it was a little bit after me come here. A show called Love Thy Neighbor. And they used to have a black man in there, and the white man used to call him Sambo. And we used to watch them thing there, and I laugh. And somebody, some little white guy and some little black guy, I gotta tell you, so that's not funny. You understand? Because a part of them program of political correctness. Yeah? So they want always, from the time them set eyes on me, they want to tell us how to be. You understand? And all we ask them to do, you know, is to leave we alone. We don't want no friend with them a blood clot. Just like you say, you know, no friend with them, you know, want no white woman to deal with, you know, want no friend to come in your house, who hold your can. Me have all I neighbors.
I'm here right on here.
Yeah. My wife friendly with them. Me say I and goodbye, and that's on me there. Them say, oh, me is not friendly. What me and you are friendly about? You are going to tell me now, say your name Bob Geldof. You are going to keep a party of starving people in Africa. And your brother, I take out $1 trillion a year time out of the country, and you're not stop it. And we are starved. And you want me to come see you as a nice guy.
Yeah. And I hear brother do that to my people.
Him left the $1 trillion in Africa, everything nice.
See that?
You see what I say? So, them now always want to control, tell you what to do. And then want you like an idiot to feel nice about it. And feel say, they are nice people. They are not nice people. And will never be nice people. As long as them are rule, they will never be nice people. The only time they're nice is if you are rule over them.
Well, you hear this now. You don't really want to rule over nobody now.
No, but that have to go happen because anyway you don't rule over them, they're going to rule over you.
Right. So that's
it's not like say, remember saying all we are asking is to be left alone.
Yeah.
Right? We're not asking no freedom because they can't give no freedom.
Yeah.
We just
take that.
No, but we at them I try bandit